Hey, welcome to the channel. We're on day 5, so first year, first week, day 5. We're just checking out the feeders, and of course, curiosity killed the cat. Got to look a little further too. So we got bees still. We do know that because they've been coming and going for several days now. Our feeders are looking just a wee bit empty, and they haven't been dripping because it's not wet inside. So you can take a look down inside there and see that they're...
You've got a ton of bees on the bottom too.
Yep. That's good. All right. Kind of want to look at these frames to see what we've got. Looks like they're working on the pollen patties pretty good. And looks like we need to tighten up the frames too. I just kind of want to look. See what we can learn, what 5 days does in a hive. Well, they're working away pretty good. I don't know how to identify yet, but that almost look like honey in there. Like they're just building their own food currently. But those easily could be, if we can get down close enough, we could see if they're, no, that's food. You see the pollen in there? Let's see if we can, I may be wrong. Let's turn it over. So nothing in the, not much in them, I should say. Let's go to the next frame. Spotted the queen yet? She could be diving in and out just about anywhere.
There she is.
Yep. So my assumption would be is she is laying eggs in here. I am not, should have brought a light. I would imagine all of this over here would have eggs in it if she's laid eggs in it. Well, they've been busy for not many days here. I just want to make sure I keep an eye on where that queen went. She was on this side.
She's right there.
Yep, there she is. Obviously, we don't want to lose her. Good. Let me just slide this down. I want to see how far out they're working currently. Yeah, so they are drawing quite a bit of comb. Actually, I almost thought they would have drawn more by now. Really nothing further out than this frame here. So the center 3 looking pretty good. So next week will be entertaining to check. Let's scheme that out. There we go. All right, well, let's cover it back up again and fill our feeders. And leave them be. Okay. You guys. Come on, I don't want to hurt any of you trying to open it. If we've got enough here, not quite top them off. Guess that one had quite a bit left in it. Just making sure there wasn't one in it. I saw one behind it, looked like it was in there. And the feed we're using is 50-50 sugar and water. Actually added just a touch more water to cool it down after we warmed it up. You guys get out of there. All right. Let's get this put back. They're still hanging on the bottom, aren't they?
Yes.
There. You guys are gonna have to find your way back in. Yep. Got ahead of myself here. Let's get our box back on. Looks good. Now they're humming a little bit. All right. There you go. I think we're doing things right. Soon we'll learn a little more what to look for in the comb once we get a little more comb drawn out. My gut tells me that they have been laying, or she's been laying eggs in there, but I can't identify that currently. So we'll have to look. We'll look next week and use lights so we can see. I guess we're looking for a little tiny white dot in the comb. So let's hope. Let's hope. So there it is. Click a thumbs up or leave a comment, even if it was a boring video. But thanks all for watching, and we'll check in next week.